Hello, this is Rika, an electric workshop learning guide. Check the operation test and results for each PLC pattern with Arduino. Also, learn the configuration that is operated through an actual Arduino. You can check the simple operation simulator configuration on the left side of the screen and the PLC input and output configuration on the right side. A brief description of today's time chart pattern. When the user presses the PBA push button, the lamps are turned on sequentially at intervals of 1 second. And at this time, pressing the PBB push button does not affect the operation. After turning on the PLE lamp in the PLA lamp, press the PBB button to turn off the lamps sequentially at 1 second intervals. And after all lamps go out, the PBA push button can be used again. Today's time chart pattern is an example of turning on the lamps sequentially through 2 push buttons and turning the lamps off through another push button when the operation is finished. Now let's start checking the simulation in action. Please also check the time chart change given in the center.
Input on, wiring breaker. Input on, SSA. Press the button, PBA. Release the button, PBA. Press the button, PBB. Release the button, PBB. Press the button, PBA. Press the button, PBB. Release the button, PBB. Release the button, PBA. Press the button, PBA. Release the button, PBA. Input on, SSB. Input off, SSB. Press the button, PBA. Release the button, PBA. Input off, SSA. Input on, SSA. Press the button, PBA. Release the button, PBA. Press the button, PBB. Release the button, PBB. Press the button, PBA. Press the button, PBB. Release the button, PBB. Release the button, PBA. Press the button, PBA. Release the button, PBA. Input on, SSB. Input off, SSB. Press the button, PBA. Release the button, PBA. Input off, SSA. Input off, wiring breaker.
World of Rika. Thanks for watching. Please refer to learning. Subscribe check.